Here we got an unusual repair going on. This is the Fluke thermal camera. The charging port on it is broken. The owner dropped it off with the broken charging port. We're not going to replace it. We're going to just mount it back on the logic board. Looking at it, looks like the broken pads are just the ground pads. Let's disassemble the device and check. And yeah, those are just ground pads. They're fine. We're just going to prep the pads, touch up all those pins, and put everything back together. Test. Looks like the device is charging. Now let's see if the device is working. And yep, looks like it's working.